This EarFun Free Pro 2 earbuds. They're about this big and they come in this nice little package. They come with these different connectors and hooks for your ears, and then a USB cable to charge it up in. Key thing so you can see right there all the different ingredients that you get inside, and you can teaches you how to fit them on. It's Bluetooth version 5.2, and the maximum working range is about 15 meters or so. And it's pretty easy to pair them. I've done it. And then what else? Oh yeah, the interesting thing is that you can actually do volume up and volume down in next track, which is pretty cool. A lot of earbuds don't allow you to do that. So that's a cool feature that I like. And that's about it. I hope this is helpful.